Fridge Challenge Part 3.
No. We starting this shit off with the whipping cream. With the jerk marinade dressing.
You know what?
We got some salad dressing in this.
This guy's.
Now we're about to get chunky, my nigga. Now we got white rice in here. Leftover. Hold up. Leftover lasagna. This nigga's done. He's out of here. He's out of here. Call 911. This nigga's out of here. Call 911. This nigga's out of here. The fuck out of here. See, he thought he was sick with it. I got my 5.
ADJOBROS.